Alright, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for the Pyle Classic Guitar Kit. This is a junior guitar, size 6, item number PGACLS82BK.
And if you haven't seen this video, I'm Lauren and he's Steven.
Alright, so let's open this up. Make sure we don't cut anything inside.
I actually want a guitar really bad.
You wanted one really bad.
I always wanted one after Mom actually gave away my princess one. Which I think that was for which I also want to learn how to do guitar.
Yeah, the princess one is the play one.
Your guitar was a Christmas present?
Yeah. Alright.
Oh.
So, top. What do we got?
I was like, look, nope.
What'd you get? Registration card. Online music lessons. So, 2 months free subscription to take lessons live.
This is what it comes with. Yes, I do need those. I think I'll be better at it with those.
Yeah. So, what you got there?
Wait.
Alright.
And then it's all
So,
that.
it looks like tuning instructions and how to put on the shoulder strap.
Let me get there.
So it comes with a bag.
Yeah.
There's a mini tuner.
Yeah, I think my ring
Some
is
strings. We got some picks. And the shoulder strap is there. Alright, let's unwrap this.
Yes. It actually makes a sound.
Here. It's a nice black.
And it has like a design here.
Yeah, it's very nice looking. It is strung already, so the strings in the bag are extra. Here. Yep. Alright, definitely needs tuning.
This looks Mexican.
Yeah, the strings are pretty loose, so they need to be tightened up quite a bit. So it does come with a tuner.
Everything's healthy.
There's the picks, 2 picks.
Oh,
There's the
wait,
extra
there was
string.
one more.
Is there one more? I just see 2 picks. A cleaning cloth.
Yeah, there's one more. A black one.
Mm.
Looks like we got some extra strings.
Alright, so then we have the shoulder strap, which will attach here, and then they'll tie it down here, and that's in this instruction booklet.
Last time when I was using my princess guitars one, I had the it was like hard because my princess guitar didn't have one of those.
Yep. Alright.
And I was like holding the microphone in the guitar. Like it was hard.
Well, we're going to tune this up. We'll put this on, and then we'll do a review on it after that. Thanks. Alright, I wanted to do a quick video and just kind of show you about tuning the guitar. It came with this little tuner. It's not too bad. I've used a different kind of tuner before. So when you push it on, you can kind of see at the bottom, there's different modes. And when I first used it, I actually had it on the wrong mode. So if you hit the button, it'll go through different modes. So there's C, which is chromatic. G is guitar. B is for bass, V for violin, and U for ukulele. So you can do different ones. So since we're going to do a guitar, and most people will clip these onto the neck of the guitar down here. I found it worked pretty good if I could clip it a little closer. So just carefully under there, and then make sure you're not interfering with the string. And that's below it. Now the strings on the guitar one are really loose when you first get it. And so you're going to have to tighten them quite a bit. But go slow and tighten each one. And then you're going to have to kind of go through them several times so you get the whole thing tight. Then when you're close, I like to start with this string, the E. And then as you can see on the thing, when you strum it, it'll show what's the note and then which string number. So string 6, it's starting at the top with the high E down here and the low E here. So then you'll kind of strum it, move the fret, and then that one a little farther, but you just want to try to get it right in the middle there, and it'll go green when you make that. And then you can go to the next one. Now one thing to note, when you're tuning a guitar, there's dots on here. And one thing is, if you hold down the string you just tuned and strum it and the next one, they should sound identical. And so we'll just kind of adjust that one there. And you can see on the tuner we're just a little low. Move that needle so it's up to the middle. About there, so then you can always check it. Alright, and then going on to the next one. That one's too high, we'll bring that down. There we go. That one's way low. Now, one thing to note when you're doing this, the dot, when you're going to this second to last string, you're actually going to push the one fret down. So then that one needs. Alright, and that we should now be tuned. And that's it. That's how you tune the guitar.